In this video, we're changing the blade on the Craftsman CMCS714M1 Cordless 7¼ inch miter saw. What they do for everybody is when you buy it, you get this Allen key where one side is a Phillips head and the other side is an Allen key. It's nice because Craftsman is known for their tools. So apparently on this saw you rotate the nut in the clockwise direction. On my skill saw you rotate it in the counterclock direction. So there's a button here, right here, that locks the blade, and you press that while you are turning the Allen key bolt. So it comes out real easy. Unfortunately, oh, okay, that's just enough to make that turn. So that comes out nicely, and I hope everybody can see that. Okay. So basically what we did was we press here at the lock, and then what we'll do is we'll take our Allen key and we'll rotate this in the clockwise direction, and that will loosen the bolt, which we'll take out now, and you can move the guard up. So then what you'll do is loosen this lock in the back, and the whole contraption will come undone, and then we'll have our blade out. So what you get when you get this particular Craftsman is you get a 40 tooth carbide tipped 7,000 RPM 5/8 arbor saw blade, which I guess for all purposes we could throw out. It's about $7 at the store. It's good, we can use it, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in our circular saw Diablo blade. So it's important to keep in mind the direction of the teeth. So in this particular saw, the direction of the teeth were going in the counterclockwise direction. On our skill saw, it was going in the counterclockwise direction. So this is clockwise, this is counterclockwise. So we've got to flip. We're going to flip our Diablo blade over. Then we're going to slip it in that slot. Oh, let's look at the mounting. Okay, on this one as well, because these are cheaper saws, there is no diamond little jig there. So slip that in there, and then put our little washer. Okay, so overall not too bad. I really am very happy with this saw. Come on. Okay, bound. There you go. And then just put your blade, just tighten that down. Okay, so you're used to tightening in the clockwise direction, but for this guy it's tightening in the counterclockwise direction. The skill saw is the opposite, actually. It's amazingly enough. Okay, so we'll go in the counterclockwise direction, and where's our little tool? Okay, and set that down, bring this back down, lock this in place. I like it. I really like it. It's so easy to use. Go in the counterclockwise direction. They give you the tools. And you can tighten it up. And you don't have to tighten it very much. Just enough. It'll lock in on its own. Okay, there we have it. I apologize for the camera jiggling around and everything else. I hope I got most everything in view. So just to recap again, in order for you to change the blade, you must first grab this tool, and you must first loosen this cover. Okay, so you're gonna loosen this cover. It's gonna pop up. Okay, so this holds the whole guard. Okay, and then you're gonna press on this button back here to lock the blade, and you're gonna turn this clockwise to loosen, clockwise loosen, and then after you change the blade, make sure the blade teeth go away from you, the sharp edges go away from you, and then you're going to take the Allen key and turn counterclockwise to tighten. So you don't have to tighten very much, but the next step is to push your guard down and then tighten these guys down with your screw. So it's just a learning curve, but it's not too bad. Not too bad at all. I wouldn't use their tools specifically for your safety guard to really tighten it down. I would just use a regular screwdriver. And I'll grab my Stanley Black & Decker from many years ago and tighten that down, and then tighten this down. Okay, so we also want to just check, rotate the blade, rotate everything, make sure there's nothing bumping, make sure this is not wobbling, make sure that spins freely. Okay, and there we have it. We're ready to do some cuts. So we're going to plug this guy in, and we're going to do some miter cuts. Thank God the sun's come out and it's a little bit warmer now.